Hi everyone, welcome to another video where we are solving LeetCode problems one by one. And I'm John. And yeah, so let's go straight into the problem. So today's problem will be create a new column. Again, we are doing a series of LeetCode problems, and basically we are covering data frame related problems. And today's problem is one such thing again related to data frame. So it's very easy again. To create a new column, we just have to use a very easy, simple piece of code. So let's read the problem here and understand what it is, what's its requirement. So a company plans to provide its employees with a bonus. Write a solution to create a new column named bonus that contains the doubled values of the salary column. The result format is in the following example. So it's very simple. So what they have done is they have created a new column called bonus, and the values inside the new column are all the values that are double the salary. So this person has 4548, so the bonus will be 9096. So let's jump into the problem solution. We can do this in a couple of lines of code. So first of all, we need to create a new column. For that, we will access the data frame, that is employees in this case, employees, and we'll create a column bonus. Okay, so that should be equal to again employees of salary, right? But the condition is that it should be double of it. So we'll simply multiply by 2 and return employees. So I hope you can understand what I have done here. I've just created a new column called bonus, and I have set it equal to the salary value. But what I've done is I have multiplied with that 2 here because we need twice the amount of the salary. And let me just run. Let's hope everything works good. That's it, done and dusted. So it's simple as that. You can create new columns with new values or maybe the old values. And if you want to add a last name or you want to add a full name, again you can create a column called full name and add the name plus the new name. Something like that, you can play it around with it. So that's it, and hope you are liking this series of lead code problems where we are starting one by one with simple problems and we will move on to complex problems. Thank you for spending your time on watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can always use the comment section and I will definitely reply to that. Thank you. Bye bye.